So how can you tell if you need to soak off and start again instead of backfilling? So the times I would soak off a builder gel, well, biab overlay, is if I had only done the simple application method on short nails or very strong nails, which is just your two thin coats. There's nothing to backfill on them. You're filing over not much product. By the time you've removed gel polish, shortened, shaped, blended it, there's barely any product on the nail, and you're very, very close to the natural nail. It's faster and it's easier to soak it off and start again. In regards to a structured overlay, I would only soak off a structured overlay, so by a nail that has a lot of product on it, if it's significantly lifted, and removing that lifting would take if backfilling that lifting would take longer than soaking it off and giving my client a fresh nail. But the problem with that's not my preferred or recommended application style, or returning service style, because I don't want my clients' nails to be lifting. So if they are lifting, yes, I'll soak them off to fix it, but the first thing I'm going to be looking at is my prep. Like, why is that nail lifting? I would be looking at prep. Do I have enough structure for the nail, and is my client well suited to this product? For example, if you're doing a builder gel extension on a client, even if it's just on one or two nails and they're just not lasting, I would definitely switch them to a hard gel or acrylic extension or polygel extension, if that, depending on what's better suited to them. So ask yourself, why is it lifting, and work from there. And sometimes your clients do all sorts of things to their nails, like they might chop them when they're chopping vegetables and they have a funny break or a funny divot, or they're just misshapen. If it's going to be more work to backfill it than soak it off and give them a fresh one, I will do what's easier and faster. But for the most part, backfilling should be your easier and faster option if your work is good to begin with and your client is well suited to the product.